Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're on Glenmuir Drive now, driving into the town of May Pen. Now May Pen is the capital of Clarendon and it's also the largest city, or the largest town, sorry, in Clarendon. To find another town this size you have to go to probably Mandeville or Spanish Town. And Glenmuir Drive is probably one of the main roads that take you into the town of May Pen. Now the road is most famous for, or most popular, because the Glenmuir High School is located on this road. Now the Glenmuir High School is the top school in Clarendon and one of the top schools in Jamaica. Very popular school, very prestigious school. Okay, so this on the left now is the Glenmuir High School. This is the entrance to the high school on the left. Now in Jamaica we don't have those lights that says slow down school zone. The flashing or school zone when the light is flashing, we don't have those lights. But come to think of it, I don't even know if we have school zones. I'm trying to remember, I can't remember. I think some schools have the sign school zone ahead. Everybody knows you have to just slow down, and these schools usually have a lot of traffic, like cars parked up on the outside to pick up the people, but it's always good to slow down when passing these schools. But if anybody knows, do they have designated school zones in Jamaica? I know in the US they have them, and when the light is flashing you have to slow down to a crawl. But I'm trying to remember if we have school zones in Jamaica. If anybody knows or can give any input, leave a message in the comment section below. But I know, like that school, I didn't see any sign that says school zone. Alright, so this is Glenmuir Drive, which is the main road that takes you into May Pen. Alright, so at this intersection, if we go straight across, we go up into the Chapelton area. If we turn left, we take Manchester Avenue, or is it Manchester Road? Manchester Avenue, through the town of May Pen, which goes on the left. And also, if we turn right, we also take Manchester Avenue into the town center. So you can turn left and take Manchester Avenue all the way back to the May Pen bypass. So there are three main ways into May Pen. Coming from the left here, coming where we are, and coming in from the roundabout by the Bustamante Highway. On the left is a Total gas station in May Pen. So we're now on Manchester Avenue heading into the town center. There's a tire warehouse on the left here. A lot of plazas on the right. Clarendon Medical Center on the right. George Kirby's Hardware on the left. Now May Pen has a lot of government. You probably find all the government agencies in May Pen. You're going to find all the banks. It's one of the larger towns in Jamaica. Probably it's the largest town in Clarendon for sure. And in this area, only Mandeville and Spanish Town is probably the bigger. And Spanish Town is in St. Catherine and Mandeville is in Manchester. You have the Sagicor Bank on the left, and you have Juicy Patties on the right. And Juicy Patties look like they're renovating the store. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.